My study is on gorillas, and particularly I'm studying one of the groups that is called the Cross River gorilla. This one is only found around between Cameroon and Nigeria in some forests that are in very hilly places. And they have been reduced by hunting over the past 200 years to about 300 animals. What we're interested in now is in knowing their ecological behavior, how they live in the forest, and what are the factors that influence their day-to-day survival. Gorillas get up in the morning from a nest. Everybody make a bed, a platform like a bed, bringing branches together and so that it's comfortable and they lie on it. And when they get up at 6, then they start moving. They move and feed along the way. They move slowly. Gorillas don't hurry. They take time. They peel things. They eat it. And then they move slowly. They keep moving until when it's getting dark again, everybody start that business of making a bed. And everybody, again, either on the tree or on the ground or on a tree trunk. So by following signs of gorilla between nests, you can get a lot of information about their biology, about their ecology. And that is what we did for 2 years in the forest. And we now have sitting on a lot of data that should help us explain what is ecology of these animals at the site. Conservationists need this information so much because it is based on their ranging pattern and their habitat utilization that you can make concrete decisions on what strategy you are going to use to protect the animals. Where are the core areas? Which are these areas that I should kindly ask people not to go to because gorillas use more frequently? In what vegetation type do gorillas prefer to nest? What are these trees that I should protect because they are valuable food for gorillas? The second aspect of it was also studying people. Because that forest is not protected, people can come in and harvest all kinds of forest resources. So it is documenting what people coming to do, following hunters or trappers along as they move through the forest and try to measure the impact of these human activities on the survival of the gorillas. We, the conservationists, come in and say, no, it's not good to kill this animal or that animal or that animal. First, we have to acknowledge that it's because of our own self-interest that we are so passionate about these animals. We understand that these animals are going through extinction, and we conservationists have the duty to prevent this. But it is not in the interest of the local person whose family is starving to entertain some discussion about endangered species. On the other side of it, the protection of the animals is also good for the people. And this is where many people, what many conservationists fail to highlight, but this is what we should always emphasize. That if we ask for people to harvest sustainably, instead of killing 2 duikers this year, you kill 1. It means that the one that is left will reproduce, and next year there will be 3. I dream of moving back to Africa and contributing first to the conservation of apes and the livelihoods of people, and just enjoy being in contact with nature on a daily basis.